Have you ever been scrolling through TikTok and seen all these gurus say they're making so much money off of the platform and really thought to yourself, how are they doing this? Because I know I have. But before we jump into the video and I explain really how you can make money on TikTok, please subscribe to the channel. I'm coming out with new videos daily, and hit that like button for me. It really helps me out in the algorithm, reach more people, and share my content with them. So you've seen all of these gurus, of course, talking about how much money they have made on TikTok or online or whatever it may be. And you're thinking to yourself, well, this is just a social media platform. How can you make money? Well, ever since the TikTok Creator Fund was created, you can actually monetize your views on TikTok. All you have to have is 10,000 followers and over 100,000 views in the last 30 days and be over the age of 18. But this isn't a super lucrative area yet because it's only 3 cents per 1,000 views, or 3 cents per CPM, cost per mile. So for example, even if you get 1 million views, you're only making about $30 on that video that went viral and got 1 million views. Now, if all of your videos are getting 5 million views, that's $150 per video that you could be making off of the TikTok Creator Fund. And that is a huge opportunity for you, and you might really want to consider joining it. However, that's not the biggest way that you can make money. Because on TikTok, you're creating a following. You're creating people that are into your content. And if you are creating talking videos where you talk to the camera and you relate with the audience, they are into who you are. And this is a huge opportunity because in your bio on TikTok, you can have a link to your website. You can have a link to your Instagram, to your YouTube. And you can funnel all of this traffic you're getting from all the organic reach you have on TikTok and funnel it right into business. People who want to work with you. Whether you're a loan officer, a real estate agent, whether you're selling a beauty product or jewelry, or you're an online service provider, it doesn't matter because there is your target customer on TikTok right now, and you just have to create content to get in front of them. And this is really how you make tons of money on TikTok, is by using it to grow your business and by using it to market yourself as a personal brand for your business. Now, as I bring up brand, there is one more way you can make a substantial amount of money on TikTok. Of course, you do need really over 50,000 followers to do this on TikTok. That's at least where I've noticed you start to get a considerable amount of these offers, and they are brand deals where a established company or brand, for example, like Gymshark, will reach out to you and offer to pay you money to represent their product or service on your platform. And this is a great way to make extra money. It can be an extra side hustle for you if you're just doing it for fun on TikTok and you don't really want to start a business or spend a lot of time on it, but can just make some fun videos for these brands and get paid to do it. The one thing I do recommend though is you only do it for brands that you actually believe in and you believe in their products and align with your niche. Because if you don't, you will burn the bridge of trust with your followers and become a sellout. And losing the trust with your followers is the most valuable thing you have on the platform. Remember how I was talking about following earlier? Yeah, you don't want to lose that, because as easy as it is to grow on TikTok or really on any social media platform these days and just blow up, it has never been easier to also lose your following. So I would always be careful when accepting brand deals and only do ones that you truly believe in. However, it is a good way to make an extra $500 to $5,000 a month. And it can be extremely lucrative even though it's not super consistent or really possible unless you have a large following. However, it can be a really good option for a lot of people on the app who don't want to necessarily run a business out of it. Another way you can actually monetize your time on TikTok is by using a third-party app where you can have people text you questions in exchange for $5, $10, or $15 to answer those questions. And this can be a great way, especially if you're an educational content creator, to monetize your time. So these are the main ways that you can really make money off of TikTok. Of course, there's a million more ways and you can get way more creative in doing this. For example, you can just create tons of content about real estate and create a list of leads that you can then go and sell to real estate agents. And that's just one idea that I came up with off the top of my head. There's tons of opportunity on TikTok right now, and if you learn how to communicate in a short form video content, you're going to be extremely successful not only this year in 2021, but for years to come as the internet moves to more short form content. Also, if you can learn how to create short form content very well and grow a following on TikTok, it can pay you for years to come. So the last thing I want to say is this all comes down to developing a personal brand. If you haven't already, make sure to watch my video on how to go viral on TikTok to help you start creating these videos that will help you build your brand around the content you want to create and your brand pillars. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. It really helps me a lot, not only grow my presence on YouTube, but reach new people and share my content with them as well. So thank you for watching and have a great day.